Today is 6 February 2023. Today is the last day of Chinese New Year. Today, according to Chinese solistic calendar actually used as agriculture calendar in Chinese culture. So today is Li Cun. What does that mean? That means starting from today until the day Li Xia. Li, that means in this time, the spring will start to begin. And this is the date, actually, in our culture, the farmers are ready to go back to do the farming job. So there's lots of different ceremonies organized throughout the time in our Chinese history. For example, in the past, the emperor, in the capital, they will organize Yin Cun. That means welcome spring. That means welcome what? It's not spring we are welcome. Actually, we are welcome the energy of spring. That means the energy for life start to grow and gradually will blossom. Okay, so Yin Cun, that's a very special ceremony that will organize in the capital. How about in the farmland? And normally in the farmland, they will have someone, they will make a man, put on the clothes and put on the Chinese raincoat and hat and whip a cow. That means it's time to do the farming. And it is time, of course, we're still too early to say the spring is here. But don't forget, in the Chinese solistic calendar, starting from today until the day of Li Xia, that means the day of summer begins. And this period will consider as the spring period. So gradually, the life in the spring will start to awaken. Which tea I would recommend? Could I recommend the green tea already? Well, because of age, our digestive system will go a little bit slower than when we were young. So right now it's too early to enjoy the green tea because the energy from the earth and heaven is not yet stabilized. Okay, so carefully to choose the tea that helps to warm up your energy. Because don't forget, when we welcome spring, that means we are going to welcome the warm energies coming in to begin of this year. You don't need to able to speak Chinese. I'm sure you will say, oh, you like eat spring roll. You don't have to go to Chinese restaurant to eat spring roll. Sometimes in Belgian friture, you can also order spring roll. The only thing is the spring roll in the friture is so big. It's a Vietnamese style. As a matter of fact, Chinese spring roll is very fine and not very big, about this size. Roll it up. And the spring roll, normally people know, is a deep fry in the oil. And spring roll in Chinese, we call 春卷, spring rolling. Okay? So today, definitely is the day for spring roll. But the spring roll we eat today will be a little bit different. I'm going to share with you the recipe here. First of all, we're just using the spring roll wrap. You can buy it in the Chinese supermarket. Don't worry, you don't need to deep fry it because it's already cooked. It's like pancake already, all right? And you cut different vegetables and in the very fine slices. And you can play with the colors. For example, you could use white color from with white ramanas, and also the carrots is red, and you have a cucumber, it's a little bit green, white, and you can also have, we call the mu'er. It's kind of Chinese mushroom, okay? It's a black. So you can play with different kinds of colors in there. And you can also cut some slices of paprika, okay? Yellow color. So you can play with the different colors, and then every spring roll, you just light in there. Oh, by the way, today is vegetarian, so no meat. You just put it there, and what you can do is, the peanut, after you fry it, You smash it, become a crunchy pieces. You split on top of it, and some corianders, and a little bit salt, and then you just sprinkle on top of it, and you eat like that. So today we begin the first day of the spring energy with a very gentle, very light food.